Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today I'm catching up with Oso, and we're doing another What's in the Shop. So he's actually working on a small Grand Design Momentum towable, and when I came up to talk to him and find out what's going on, the customer's upgrading the batteries to some lithium capable batteries. And so as we were just talking, he also said, hey boss, you know, the owner's also having us change out the solar controller. And so he does have an inverter in here in the cabinet and a solar controller, a WIFCO. And so there was the old solar controller right there. And then the guys are getting ready to put in this Victron solar smart controller. And so after he gets the batteries installed, the last thing that, you know, sometimes we get busy, and, you know, this was just a reminder for everybody else that's thinking about going solar. Once he gets the batteries installed, the bed is actually in the slide out over here, is covering the converter that's up front. And so we've got to double check to make sure that the converter that's in this unit is lithium capable. We just have another unit that's here on the lot that's on a Solitude, where an owner came in with some Battleborn batteries, and he had all kinds of weird issues going on with the unit. And what they ended up finding out was he didn't have a solar capable or a lithium battery capable converter. And so over the course of, I don't know, I think he said 3 to 4 years, when he traveled, he never dry camped. All he did was use the inverter system to operate the refrigerator when he was in travel. And so when he did that, it wasn't for long a period, extends of time. So it ended up damaging both of his Battleborn batteries. So again, you know, if you haven't done your research, make sure you check in before you just take some lithium batteries and throw them in your coach. Make sure that you're checking with your converter, and if there's a name and a model and serial number on there, you can always contact that company and find out and verify, is it lithium capable. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. If you haven't already checked out our Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop, we encourage you to do so. It's where we're listing a lot of this information, videos, posts, pictures, tools, products that we're using, and things that are going on here in the shop. Thanks so much for watching.